All right, we're back again, opening up a piece of history from the new service kit. New to us, not new to the world, right? And the next big thing that I'm excited about is we got the tool bag. All right, so we're gonna pull this guy right out. Gotta be gentle with this guy.
And we showed this in the other video, but obviously we didn't take it apart. But
this is probably the one that's got the most, wear to it compared to everything else. Just a little bit of the packing's already done out of it. See here, service toolkit portable flamethrower M2-2. Stock number.
I personally, in the last video when we just went over the actual box itself, I think this has been open for obvious reasons, but we haven't.
That's right. So, new to us. Before we get into actually pulling it all out, we're going to flip through the manual and we're going to lay this out and we're going to go piece by piece to make sure we got everything. So, I'm going to put this guy right there. And let's lay her out. Let's go. All right, here we go. Lightly open it. Take this out of the packaging. Cause where you're at. There we go. All right, here we go. All right. First big thing, nice big screwdriver. We usually call these the BFS, right? So that's screwdriver common. What else? We got another screwdriver, a little small guy. Looks great. Paint looks still good on it. See the manufacturer on this. It's Williams, forged in the USA. Cool. No other real markings on it. Nice little T and a 6305E. That's probably associated with the stock number. Another couple of big wrenches, all from Williams, it looks like. Great condition. No rust, no nothing. All wrapped real nice. Now that's a wrench. Same thing here. Except this one says special.
Yes.
Oh yes, very special.
You know, some of those the wrenches they have like the little twist on them in the printout.
That's right. Yeah, I don't see the twist on this.
I wonder if this is a later one since it was from October of '44.
Might be. What's
the date on that manual?
Date on the manual. May 30, 44.
Yeah, so a couple months later.
It's interesting to see why. I wonder why they switched from the curved neck to just a straight.
Could be just sake of manufacturing or the contract.
Yep. Could have just been too much just to bend it. All right, looks like here we got a nice little Allen wrench. If we can get her out. Oh, we got two of them. Look at that.
Those are to adjust the regulator that we had in the first video.
Oh, yes. Put that over there for safekeeping. Looks like we got another package of Allen wrenches. We're not going to open this. It looks like another.
Those look smaller.
Yeah, these look maybe a smaller set of Allen wrenches. You can't really see it probably in the video, but the outline, the angle, a little bit smaller. These look like they're about the same. Everybody loves a good crescent wrench, and that's what we got here.
What did you do?
What did I do? Oh no, not the packing. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Also from Williams, forged in the U.S. Super adjustable.
Fuck, got it.
All right, we got one last piece. Thank God for gloves, right? It's achy. All right. What we got here? Some good stuff. Slip and slide. This is the valve adjustment tool.
I think that's for the wand.
It's got the two little nipples on the either side. Awesome. Cool. All right. Well, that's the toolkit. We got everything all laid out so you can see. Awesome. Great piece of history.
Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.